Dear Dream, right now me upset like when Conscience girl they find out say I wear out all her blouse them. Me say 6 and Christina still no want me. I wonder if me need to start say 7. Cause right now me feel like L.A. Lewis on a regular day, you know. Me feel fool and me feel smart at the same time. Dream, me need for then a Christina panty like Stay Free Products. Christina make her co-worker tell me yesterday say she gonna other chicken and things branch, you know. And she know damn well say she hide inside like Dexter Daps in a groupie house. And cause me neck fat like squash when make she move so. And me turkle make she no want me. That girl ya move like Pinocchio so. Be a lie she a tell. Me no normally talk like Ashley no. But right now me about to change up like Jada Kingdom hairstyle. Me think about this long and hard, you know. Me tired for Christina rinse me out like dirty clothes pan line. Me a go hide in her man car trunk when he come pick her up and just stay in there and trail them garden yard.
Christina!